It's a new day, which means it is a new video. Today, we're working on this puppy right here, and we're gonna make it nice and loud. And yes, she's no longer at the shop. We finally got her out and running. So happy, so proud of myself. All the hard work has paid off. Anyways, you guys may recall, we took the mufflers off of Veronica's C300. It didn't sound too good, but that is a V6. This is a 5.5 liter V8, so I think it's gonna sound pretty good. We're about to head over to Vet Lab right now because I need to pick up my other car, the Z, because it's not here. And Christina did just get approval from 7-Eleven that she is able to post this car, the Slurpee Mobile, you guys. Check it out. It is an 02 WRX, and we did a Slurpee livery on it. I do want to point out, you guys may see, I mean, I did scratch it up a little bit right there. Ignore that. I'm gonna buff that out. But the lenses are in really great condition on the car. They don't manufacture these lenses anymore. This lens is pretty rough. It's, well, I tried my best to restore it, cracked it open and everything. But come over here, we did get a new headlight. Obviously the style is very different, but I'm gonna remove the lens off of this one and put it onto the car and swap them, and then I'm gonna resell it. But this has 33K miles on it, and there's not a single scratch on this.
You're gonna send them back to get them painted black?
No, I'm just gonna swap the lenses. So I'm gonna heat them up.
Got it.
You ready to go to the shop?
Yes.
It's time to head to the shop real quick. We're gonna pick up the Z. They're doing coilovers on the WRX today. That's pretty exciting. We got Tanya's pink Eclipse here as well. A lot of you guys might remember that build. Oh, it's squeaking. It's
turn
squeaking.
the AC on.
It's squeaking. That's annoying. Bro, what the heck are you doing?
I was just cleaning my tires using the 303 Protect It and the wheel and tire cleaner and a tire brush.
Is that a Hellcat engine?
It's my Hellcat Red Eye.
Bro, this is...
I picked it up a couple days ago from Detroit.
Can we get a cold start on it?
It's not, it needs to be tuned a little bit, and then, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we made it here to Vet Lab here in Clawson, Michigan. This car right here, they're doing coilovers on it. I don't know if they're gonna do them here or if they are going to come back home, but I just had to pick up a few things, including this right here, the Nissan Z. Did get a new hood from Society, made by Fly One Motorsports. Again, huge shout out to you guys. There is carbon inserts basically on the hood. I had to pick up the Sawzall right here, so we're gonna cut off the muffler using that, and then of course I got the impact and stuff. So we're about to head on out, or at least I am.
This is the last thing we're doing on the Subi. We're doing the coilovers, the air oil separate, and then we're absolutely done with it.
Now we do also have Motor City Matt's Dodge Demon right here, and it is twin turboed, which is really cool. But anyways, whole lot of stuff, whole lot of things to do. You ready to hit the hay? Or hit the hay? I just said hit the hay.
Hit the road.
Hit the road, bro. Yeah. See, that's how you know I'm tired. I'm ready to hit the hay already. All right, let's go. That was not the start I was hoping for, but it's okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's move. She's gonna run into us. Bro, she's really about to run into us. That's like a whole highlighter. Like, that's crazy. You're definitely, like, that's really bright. That kind of reminds me of the days when we had the 350Z and the Mustang Chrome. They were so bright in the sunlight, it was crazy. Christina's Bluetooth, her phone keeps connecting to my Bluetooth. I already have to listen to her music enough when she's in the car with me, and then whenever we convoy separately, I still have to listen to her music. That's crazy. Tunnel run, let's go. We have arrived back at the house. I swear this house is full of cool cars every direction you look, especially when Tanya and Veronica are here on the rare occasion. But of course, we're back here. Lily, I really want to get this bay cleared out so that we have that third bay available. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot of work, but we could do it.
Yeah,
we could do it. Yeah. I think she said she's pulling this one out.
I'm about to start vlogging too.
Oh, double vlog action. Okay, okay. Feels so nice not having to hide certain cars.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Ah, such a relief. So, yeah, she's gonna pull out the 350Z if it turns on. That's a big if. Can I be in your vlog?
Not right now.
Well, you're in my vlog.
I'm not vlogging right now.
Oh.
What's up?
Starting to come down.
I need to pull the Subi in right now.
Uh-oh.
But we need to push this out so we can put this in. Yeah.
Yo, this is weird. This is so funny. Like the car to human ratio is 1.33 cars for every one person. That's for you don't even have your license. Yeah. So if you want to talk how many the car to license ratio, that's even more. Here comes the rain. We are sacrificing both Z's today. There we are. We are under here, and Christina's backing in. It's really starting to come down now. I don't know if you guys can really see that through the camera, but the rain stopped. I'm gonna quickly flip the car around so that I actually have some room to work on it, just so that the back end is facing outwards. I pulled the car in forward, you guys. I'm letting it warm up right now to get up to operating temperature. The rain just started to come down, so we pulled her in just in time. Once it gets up to operating temperature, then I am going to give it some revs to get some before shots. But let's show you guys the new exhaust tips. You guys can see the original tips since I got a new diffuser put on. They're so small. We really need to fill in this gap a lot more. So I did get quad tips. I stand under the umbrella with you. Now what?
I don't know, I guess live life.
All right. Got some new tips. They are these right here. Here we are. Let's get a unboxing video. AMG tips. Look at that. That's gorgeous. They're gonna fit right. Oh yeah. That's gonna be really nice. It's gonna make a really big difference. So let's get them cut off. Why not? Now keep in mind, you guys, we're not gonna be installing those tips for another couple minutes just because I don't have a welding machine here, so I'm probably just gonna go to a shop or go back to Vet Lab to do it. But we can at least cut them off here, so we're at least gonna hear the difference. We just won't see the difference. Still has a ring to it though, I'm not gonna lie. Like for being bone stock and not being an AMG exhaust, like that's not bad. But we can do better. And Lily's the camera girl today.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man. This is some, what is it, BTS, behind the scenes?
Yep. Yeah. So we have the ST box right over here, and we are going to be doing our unboxing for the coilovers. Obviously, they're from ST Suspension, so this is what they look like. Let's do a color reveal. Let's see what they look like.
If you guys want to go see what her coilovers look like, how she customized them, you're going to have to go watch her video. That's not what this video is about, yo. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to cross traffic. Don't click away yet, though. You gotta hear the before and after and see the finished results. All right, so we switched out the blade. Now we are going to get cutting. It's kind of sort of off, not quite. Kind of like force it at this point. There we go. Look how terrible that cut was. So while we were working, UPS just dropped off a very special package. I can't show the address, so I'm gonna unbox it.
Not on this YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Hopefully one day.
Not on this channel, but to all 40,000 of you who are subscribed, thank you very much. We love you guys more than I love these subscribers. I'm not gonna lie, because a lot more time and effort gets put into this channel, where my other YouTube channel, which does have over 100K. I just repost my TikToks there. You know, it's nothing like sentimental, where this is like, you know, some real deep stuff. We started this channel. This is what started it all for us. So
let's unbox it.
Let's unbox it.
Your safety glasses.
Oh boy, a whole letter. There it is.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Dude, that's badass.
My dirty hands.
Yay!
That's awesome. Presented to Grant Sloan for passing 100K subs.
That's awesome.
So we got both mufflers off. We went through 3 of these. These like, I don't know what material these were, but the other Mercedes was not this difficult. We're gonna start it up and see how it sounds compared to before, and give it a few revs. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna get a, I guess it's not necessarily a cold start, but let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah! my gosh. I didn't think it was gonna sound that good. Let's take it on to the test drive. Let's pull this puppy out. Woo. You guys, we are back. It is day 2 technically, bright and early. It's like 8 a.m. right now, and we're going across the street to the muffler shop to get the new pipes welded onto the SL. I'm wearing a hat because I gotta come back here to cut the grass anyways, so I don't feel like taking 2 showers in the course of like 3 hours. But let's get a cold start on the V8, because why not? I'm like so happy I could finally say that. I've never owned a V8 before, and oh, it just feels so good. Oh yeah. Now, as you guys know, I did get an X pipe. We need a little more light in here. There we go. I did get an X pipe for this car to replace the resonators, which are pretty much right below us. It sounds so good and aggressive and loud without the mufflers. I don't think I need to replace the resonators as well. You guys let me know what you think. I think for right now, I'm just gonna get the tips welded on. Just let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think we should do. Anyways, let's hit the road right now, because they're always pretty busy over there. Just like that, we are here. So they said they should be able to get it done here in the next few hours. So I'm just gonna cut the grass and then we're gonna go back up there. All right, so I just, well, you can see I just cut the grass and then I showered. Hair's still wet, but we are gonna go back across the street and they should be able to fit us in. All right, so as I expected, they're pulling it up on the 4-post lift just because it's not going to clear the 2-post. We're going to see how it turns out. My cuts are not pretty. I didn't have the right blade when I was cutting off the mufflers, so they might have to recut some stuff. I know, it's pretty rough. Yeah, this one's bad. This one's even worse. We have some work to do. So here are my cuts. You guys can see just how rough that is. This side, I guess it is a little bit better. I did not have the proper blade to cut, so don't judge my cut. I'm making sparks. Go. Woo. That looks good, so much better. And here she is, you guys, finally done the rear end. What do you think?
I like it. I like the sound of it.
She rumbles, man. All right, we made it back. I'm switching cars. I'm hopping in the Z right now, and we are going to the 7-Eleven because Christina wants to make a TikTok with the entire family and all of our cars. They just rolled out, so I'm a little bit behind, but super happy with the results of the exhaust tips. They look absolutely amazing. They are very aggressive, maybe sticking out a little bit more than I wanted, but they look really good nonetheless. Anyways, we are gonna hop in the Z now and we're gonna head out. We got the whole fam bam out here at 7-Eleven. Got the Slurpee build. We got Emily's Civic. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We got Tanya's Eclipse and then the Z. Got the whole fam, and we are at 7-Eleven because why not? We're doing all of this just so that Christina can get a TikTok. I love all of the cars here, but I think I like this one the most. It's hard to tell. You guys comment down below what your favorite build of the bunch is, and let me know. Anyways, I don't really think there's much else to include in this video. I mean, it was kind of a pretty straightforward video to say the least. Thank you guys for 100K subs on my other YouTube channel. I wish this one had 100K as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, you guys, and catch you in the next one. Peace out.